Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Gitaiga from Jam Tours Africa family. And we're here at, you know what I mean, the Kiambu area. And we're going to a spot. We said the spot named Korea? Yeah. The spot we're going to get like mineral water to drink. It's like a forest. And you see monkey, natural forest. Yeah. Monkeys and stuff is there, family. So we're heading there now. And, you know, it's my first time, so I'm going there. So, you know, if you want to come and this tour, link up with Jam Tours family. You know what I mean? It's like a day walk, you know what I mean? Just chatting and laughing with Jamaicans. So we have the entire team here. Yo, where the other guys them turn?
Oh, they are taking photos to that bamboo.
Oh, that bamboo. Yeah, well, let me go down there.
Yeah, many different.
So what do you say about this now? This is a thing like bamboo shade.
I look this way, filter your home, bring fresh air to your house,
yeah.
fresh air to your home, good for oxygen, filter your place. But they say Chinese eat the root.
Yeah, the bamboo, yeah, bamboo shoot.
The shoot, yeah.
Yeah, bamboo shoot. Yeah, bamboo shoot is very good. Yeah, bamboo shoot is very good.
You also have your textiles. You can actually make textiles with bamboo.
You can make almost anything with bamboo.
Yeah.
Furniture. So there is nothing, by the way.
Yeah.
That you can't do.
If
you're
creative,
you can make anything
so
bamboo
once
yourself.
you cut down or proof the bamboo, okay, there is nothing about it that can be wasted.
Wow.
Should be wasted.
Yeah.
And this right here is compost.
Yeah.
They use this compost. Yeah.
So let's go catch up.
All right, family, let's go.
That shade is phenomenal.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should stay there.
Yeah.
Sweating is good.
Yeah, sweating is very good.
So the kind of
Heat that heat.
Yeah.
it's nothing.
Yeah, this is
So Mao is going to compete with the Jamaican chief.
when you say Mau and Nani after maroon. Mau and Nani after maroon. Kojo, yeah. Yeah, family. So as you can see, guys, you know what I mean. I just want to let you guys know we're talking here as a joke, but this is a real thing. The Kikuyu and Jamaica, we share so much culture, and the same fighting spirit is in us. That's where we can talk. No, this is not stinging nettle.
No.
This is not stinging nettle.
This is like holly.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's holly, but it's like, you know, holly.
And this is the thing, this is part of the decorations for Christmas, isn't it?
Holly, yeah.
Yeah.
Holly, yes. You see how it feels supple? In winter time it gets hard.
That is how the forms form.
Yeah.
You want to know more about it, you take out the Google studies. Go on Google and put it.
Yeah, you can actually take a picture.
And they tell you what it is.
Like take a handful and stick it in the
Oh no!
Yeah, family, so we're there. So where we're going now, Al, we're going to a place where we can get water for drink and monkey and all kind of things there. No man, water, mineral water.
Oh, monkey.
And monkey.
Monkey for eat. You eat monkey?
No, we don't.
Yeah, monkey
Monkey
brains is good though.
Monkey brains? You eat it already, Al, monkey brain?
That monkey brain is...
The monkey is your cousin.
Yeah.
Like crap the monkey, he's not really dead. Put him around the table like there's a hole in the table. Put the monkey, clamp him down. Delicacy, and then you start eat the brain.
Hey!
Yeah man, when monkey
Brain.
alive.
We are said to me.
But as I'm saying, it's not good.
It's not
People say it's good and delicious because it's delicacy.
delicacy,
But it's wrong.
It's wrong,
How can you eat the damn monkey brain? Do you want someone to eat your brain like that when you're alive?
Yeah.
And some people just cut the monkey head and take the
Wait
brain
a
out.
wait a
I didn't know it grew, I thought it was only in North America and them places.
No.
That's Spanish needle.
Biden's
Spanish needle.
Biden's Spinoza.
But no, what we call it, no, there's another name for it, isn't it?
This is the
Spanish.
for those who want to come here and get a tour like this, to see the medicine, the plant, and learn more about the trees. Because you can have a plant at your home and you don't even know the benefit of it.
Yeah.
So it's good to book a tour, Jam Tour, and learn more.
Yeah.
More you learn,
The more you earn.
The more you earn.
And you can discern.
Yes, you can discern. Yeah.
Yeah, family, so we're there and we are move through. Still going up a place so we can get water. And some monkey and stuff is there. But as you can see, family, the place is nice. Look at it.
See the land.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's tea.
These guys are wondering, where did black people come from? What language is that? But then tomorrow if you come, you'll be, hey, how you doing, brother?
Yeah. Yeah, family, so we're heading there. Let's go.
They were about to rape them.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The monkey rape a lady?
Yeah.
So when the action was going on, somebody have come and help or what happened?
Yeah, they were about to rape them.
Uh-huh.
But we were just already the area. We
okay.
were just area.
Wow.
So when we come, we help them.
Mhm.
They run away. Those monkeys live here.
So what about
But they hide.
but what you say, they actually rape a lady already?
Yeah.
So who stopped them from, so you guys, who stopped it from happening now? You caught it in the action or what happened?
No, the lady was saying.
Yeah, she
Yeah.
said.
Ah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
she was telling the story.
Yeah.
So what happened when the monkey finished and go away?
Yeah. The monkey just left, but there is even some rumors of other ladies getting raped here. Yeah. But those monkeys, they hide.
They hide.
Yeah, you can saw the big ones just like that. But if there is a lady,
Yeah.
you just hide. Her just move on. You will just show those monkeys.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, World Cup.
Next AFCON, not the World Cup. The AFCON.
AFCON, yeah.
Will be here.
The next AFCON will be here. Yeah. I will ask line out here and watch it.
As you can see, there is a waterfall here.
The next AFCON. Yeah, family, so we're there. Let's go. Waterfall. It's where the water come from. Yeah.
It's $1 million US.
Yeah.
1 million US to transfer from the city to Wonderland.
Yeah, Wonderland.
Just Wonderland. Something like that.
Yeah.
Decoration, lighting. That's what I mean, the decoration, lighting on a proper road for the main. Or
Yeah.
we can zip lining.
Zip
No
lining,
road.
yeah.
Just zip lining.
Yeah.
It will be good. Just 1 million US.
Yeah.
If you have $1 million US you want to invest, link up John Tour.
Yeah, family, so we're there. And we actually walk on our way back home. Uh-huh.
As you cut it up
Uh-huh.
and whatever, it has a very pungent smell.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, like
Very,
Rank.
very
Like pea.
pungent smell.
Like
Okay?
pea, like goat.
So much so that even my dad told me a long time ago, as a teenager,
Yeah.
he ate one or spot of, he became sick and he never touched it again.
Yeah, yeah.
What?
The sheep.
The local sheep. No, there's something very pungent about them.
Smell.
The smell.
Especially when you cook and whatever, very pungent.
It's very the spices. The
If I eat it and it gets and it makes
So
me
that's-
sick,
you're supposed
to boil it first actually.
So that's the reason why it's only for sacrifice then.
By that time, people eat it.
People
They
eat
boil
it. Okay,
Yeah,
when they boil it.
They don't roast it.
Okay,
Cook
okay.
is the one they roast.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
In Jamaica,
sheep, they boil it.
when I'm cooking sheep,
They boil then they
because
then
you
they
know,
roast it.
as you know, I'm a chef.
No, we don't.
But now you know. You don't know.
No, you know.
So, I'm a chef. So when we're at the hotels, resorts, and other places, cooking sheep, we call it lamb.
Lamb, yeah, lamb meat, yeah, yeah,
Best
yeah.
to eat lamb meat with mint.
Mint,
And that is why I said the same rosemary, you got to season meat properly.
yeah.
Not just powder season. You put your rosemary, your garlic, your ginger, your onion, your spring onion, your thyme, and your parsley, coriander, all of these spices, bay leaf, basil leaf, also.
Yeah.
Put on your lamb. You beat everything, or you can blend it.
Now, Martha.
You season the lamb.
I didn't hear no Scotch bonnet.
No, pepper is a must, but depends on how you like it. You can use black pepper, or you can use Jamaican Scotch bonnet. or pili sauce. Because you got to grill the lamb. So to grill the lamb, you got to smell that protein smell. It's like pea. You understand?
It's gamey.
What you all call it? That's how it smells. Just like Jamaican goat, ram goat.
Ram goat.
When the goat rank, instead of goat sweet.
It's best when it's
best.
The rank
is good.
is the best.
So they know how to flavor to get the smell away.
Ask
So,
Kelly, tell you.
yeah, man. They put those stuff on it, weed on it, kill the smell.
Oh,
Yeah.
you can't eat it.
Lamb, we always prepare lamb with mint.
You can't eat it.
You understand? Or mustard.
Mustard, yeah.
Yeah, man, you can Google it and see.
Yeah, man. So you hear that from the reggae flavors, chef.
Head chef,
Check out Jamrock.
check.
Yes,
Check out reggae flavors.
every Friday fish fry.
Check.
Every Sunday buffet,
Check.
style up at Jamrock. So if you watch this and you want to come taste the Jamaican flavor, Jamrock is the place. Brookside,
Check.
Westlands.
Yeah, man. Remember.
Yeah, guys.
Book your tour if you want more information
Remember,
like
I
this.
told you.
Now I'll give you guys too much.
Yeah,
It's a sneak peek.
sneak peek.
When you book your tour, you get a lot more. Yeah,
You're
man.
not seeing no nipples. Just a drop.
Momo chef.
Boom.
The Momo chef.
Yeah.
So when people want to know what you mean of Momo, like
Get
what
out,
you
get
call Momo
out.
chef?
Move. Go away.
We're not talking about the cow.
Mau has to. What I was told, it was in Kiswahili. Mzungu
Get out.
atoke, no, Mzungu aende Ulaya,
Eh.
Mwafrika atawale.
Okay.
Which would be something like that. Mau.
No,
What about it was just backwards for Uma.
In other
You know,
words,
Uma is get out.
in other words, in other words,
That's the second one I
Muzungus
had.
get the
Out of
Yeah,
here.
Mzungu atoke.
Our Bob Marley say,
This program is for
chase
everyone.
those crazy ball heads out of town.
I know you're Rasta. Now, because that's not your permit still.
You don't have to be dread to be Rasta.
To
Be Rasta. You don't have to dread. This is not a dreadlocks thing, but of the heart.
All of us here walking are Rastas.
Yeah. Yeah, the Mau Rasta, them say, yo, when the colonizer go away, the Mau then come out and them have a lot of Rasta.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
They
Yeah.
come home the hair.
Yeah.
Let me ask you guys, have you ever only way they could hide in the bush?
That's all
A special day that is here.
Yeah.
Just make sure that here you make a celebration.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea. We need to do that. That's a good idea. Jamaican celebration in Africa. Yeah.
But we can assure you within the 5 years,
Yeah.
right? Everybody will know on this day.
At this day, we're going to Jamaica.
Yes.
Yeah, I feel we need to maybe talk to maybe Kia and we can come together. It's just like a,
Bring down everyone.
you know what I mean, not really a Jamaican thing, but
tell me, why is Kia spending so much time at Jamrock? Eh?
yeah, she's half Jamaicans. Yo, so what? Come on, I was saying, yo, we're supposed to have a Jamaican celebration day in Kenya. Like on every day, like this day, like say maybe January 1st or whenever date, we have a Jamaican celebrator. All Jamaicans come together and celebrate.
That can promote it and say the Jamaican celebration
in Kenya.
Celebrate with the Kenyans, the return of Jamaicans.
Yeah, in Kenya. Yeah.
So we can do something like that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah.
Homemade guns.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
They're saying that the Momo you shoot on the colonizer plane.
Oh yeah.
The water, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, with homemade.
Big bombers were
Homemade.
the forest.
Yeah.
He asked you.
Shoot the damn pilot, eh?
Yeah.
It comes down.
So what homemade gun you guys used to use?
Homemade guns.
Yeah.
They used to shoot down British bombers. the
Wow.
Lancaster bombers.
Yeah.
So they used to come down in the forest to bomb the Mau.
Uh-huh.
They'll be on top of the tree tied to
Tight.
it.
Ah.
They would wait.
Wait. Yeah. And boom. Yeah, man. Yeah.
They bring down the
But
ship.
you're not going to see that in any country.
Yeah, you're not gonna see that in these
But
tributes.
all they're going to tell you is that they were primitive and they were this,
Yeah.
they were that. They're not going to tell you that they suffered defeat at their hands.
Yeah, their hands.
They're not going to tell you that.
In fact, I'll tell you a tale. Now, according to my dad, okay, and I think he was wrong.
Yeah.
So he told me
Yeah.
dreadlocks, or locks as you call them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when the Mama put the dreadlocks, okay, it was to encourage the growth of lice in their hair,
Uh-huh.
to make sure that they're always aware, especially at night.
Ah, so they don't sleep.
Yeah, so they don't get too comfortable.
Okay.
So now he told. Now, according to well, you know, through reading and whatever, we grew up thinking that that dreadlocks
Is
okay,
dirty.
came from the struggle. No.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
It came from here, okay, and then I don't know how it got to Jamaica.
No, but remember also
But we were told now, according to Kia,
dreadlocks came from here to go to Jamaica.
no. According to Kia, no, dreadlocks were there centuries ago. But
According to
in
Ethiopia?
Ethiopia.
Yeah, but that's what I was going to tell you.
Yes.
Who said that? Is it Kia?
No, that's what he's saying. But because remember the Ethiopians, what happened is when what's his name was in exile,
Yeah.
Haile
Haile
Selassie,
Selassie.
Yeah.
the elite troops said they will never cut their hair until he returns home.
Yeah, that's where
So they
Rastafari
also
come from.
was locked. But the thing is, I think it was in different places for different
Right,
reasons.
for different reasons, yeah.
Because we are the same people.
Same
split
people
all over.
fighting, yeah.
Because remember that there were Bantus as well.
Yeah.
And you understand in Kenya, in West Africa.
In West Africa, you have the Ashanti and the Maroons and stuff.
No. By the way, I don't think the Ashanti are Bantu.
You don't think so?
The only people who might remotely be called Bantu are the Igbos of Nigeria and the Bamieke of Cameroon.
But you cannot look at it like that. You cannot look at it, come on, because you know what I mean. Because there's so much groups outside of Africa that are Bantus that we don't really know.
And remember that they were very nomadic at one point.
They were, but okay. Now, but according to the history we have been taught.
Whose history?
Okay.
Who's this?
History, I'll accept it.
Yeah.
If it's,
Get it? Well, not the British
if
history.
it's painted by any Caucasian, I will not have it. Understand that? If it was painted,
That's the history they painted to us in school.
Yeah.
Fake history, false history.
Yeah.
Bantus were from Kenya downwards.
Yeah.
To South Africa, right?
From Kenya, Uganda downwards.
Yeah, but they also come from West
They
Africa.
had no classification.
But guess what? Guess what they told us? They told us there were no black people in the West.
What?
There were no black people.
Yeah,
Let me
They
not say
said-
black
yeah.
people.
No, I agree.
Let me
They
not say
said
black
that.
people. They said there was no Africans in Jamaica, and they tell us people named Arawaks and
Arawaks and
Caribs
okay.
and some other BS. But we know for a fact that not every person of African origin who's from that era got there
Through slavery.
To slavery, it's
No,
just
but
there.
African was traveling
Africans were there.
a long time
Before,
slavery.
yeah.
They know to build their own boats.
And they know to navigate. Yeah.
Navigate.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Importantly,
traditional.
most important, they used to call America.
Okay, we're being called.
Because see, America is shaped like a turtle.
Yeah.
Having a chat here.
The Africans used to call America Turtle Island.
Yeah.
A, because it's shaped like
Like a-
the back of a turtle, and B, because they said that it was floating on the back of a giant turtle.
Okay.
So yeah.
What I do know is like even first, I mean until
How
today,
did they know
if
that?
you go to India and
America
even various
shaped
parts of
like a
China,
turtle?
Yeah.
Because
They can't fly.
They could see all of it.
They could see everything. Yes.
now I'm also told, okay, through the whatever, I never knew. I also thought that most of the black people in India
Yeah.
were a result of slaves from
No,
East Africa.
no.
Okay,
Migration.
now, migration. Thank you. Now we're also getting to know, and the Chinese really kept quiet about it.
Jamaica was populated, developed.
Chinese black people.
Oh yeah, Chinese black people. Yeah.
Okay. Everybody is keeping quiet about it. I don't know. Why.
Yeah, that's so
Yes.
true. Yeah.
Let's not even go too far. Let's go to Egypt.
Yep.
There's a crazy man there. I think he's the head of antiquities. He doesn't believe that Africans built the pyramid.
Yeah.
And then what they've lied. I saw something the other day by an engineer on YouTube. He said no stones were carved by the African Egyptians.
Who carved them?
They were not carved. They built them concrete. And they have this evidence to show that they built them like concrete.
Oh,
I'll send you the link.
and then we
No, he did, and
and then we
he did it.
lifted them and put them one on top of the other.
No, this is concrete.
Yeah, and also,
Oh.
where I can agree with you is if you look at the white man today,
Yeah.
okay, anything that he cannot explain,
Oh, yes.
Explain. Yeah.
okay,
Oh, that's too much. Oh, no. It's
Alien.
Because nobody has.
just mention anything that the white man cannot explain, he goes and says it's extraterrestrial.
Extra. Yeah. It says something else.
anything to explain.
Anything can
Because
explain.
according to
And they
him,
don't have the
according
knowledge
to the
to
white
explain
man,
these
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
nobody
Yeah.
can be smarter
Than
than
a
him.
white
Man, yeah.
Dumbest, to be honest. No, to be honest, if you check the real history,
Nobody
you find
has
that,
found where the stones came from Egypt.
yeah.
There should be at least a quarry somewhere. There's none.
But there are so many mountains that are shaped like pyramids that you wonder.
Yeah, family. So right now we're heading down to the streams after that long discussion and argument and history and knowledge. We're heading down to the stream. Let's go. Who you gonna trust?
I feel this guy's bringing us that circle. You know? I think he's taking us that circle.
Yeah, we're going to run it.
We're heading back where we came from. So it's really supposed to be 360.
Yeah.
Your car's driving.
Just heading back to the
Village.
Ah.
The place that the building that the cows and stuff.
Okay, okay. Process the tea.
Where the cars are?
No, he's saying where this is going.
Yeah, where this is going. Yeah, yeah.
Baraba.
Yeah.
This is where I should go then. So they can show the money with the pocket.
So they can use some iron in your back. Alright.
Yeah, use it to produce our thing and give them a percentage.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, family. So we're there. And we are go through. I know we're back. This place is like nature. It's like God. So let's go, family. Let's go.
Yeah, the trumpet tree again.
Yeah, trumpet tree. Come cross the River Jordan.
It is strange that we call this tree.
Yeah.
I think this is it.
Trumpet.
We call it trumpet tree in Jamaica. And he's telling me that elephants love to eat
Love to eat it. Ah. Yeah.
it.
Yeah, lied. A good nature walk this. Yeah.
Yeah, it's even better than Karura.
Yeah. Karura Forest.
Have you been there?
I never been there, but I plan to. But this is way better than Karura Forest. Your brother telling us, family, it's better than Karura Forest. So take this tour instead of Karura Forest. All right, family, let's go.
It's a really hot day. I hardly feel it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but nobody told Kiambu.
Yeah.
Nobody told Kiambu it's supposed to be hot.
Yeah, family. So we're walking in this cool and nice place. As our brother was saying, this is better than Karura Forest. So link up with Jam Tours for this tour. It's better than Karura Forest, family. We are out. Continue watching the video while we head home. You know what I mean? It take us around a circle, family. As you can see, look at this place right here. As you can see, that is it, family. That is it.
The air is not as dense as
Yeah.
where it's more industrialized,
Yeah.
you know? Everything here is pure, natural,
Yeah.
and real.
Real.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Real.
Real talk and not joke talk. Alright, family, continue watching the vlog, like, share, and comment. Let us know your thoughts. And when you come into Kenya.
You want to see the monkey? You see that one?
Wow, look at the monkey, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me show you.
Family members
Yeah. You see
of the white
monkey?
people.
Yeah.
Wait.
You see it?
You see how they are relaxing? This one over there is another one now.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
hanging down.
Yeah.
Hanging.
You can
Damn.
show
What
them
kind,
when they are hiding.
what kind of monkeys are those? You know? What are they called?
They are baboons.
Oh, it's
Baboon.
baboons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With the big
Baboon.
red butt. You ejaculate a lot. Yeah, ejaculate a lot and you won't have... Are you, eh?
Getting old.
No man, this guy I'm still working up. This guy I mash anything up. Don't be surprised if he takes his pussy 3 pieces. Can you say about this tree? You know,
I never did a prostate test.
Scrape the bark and you don't know what you do.
I've heard of it.
It cure
What
prostate.
it does?
Cure prostate.
Prostate cancer.
It cure prostate cancer.
Or so, yeah.
So where do you take the leaf and drink it or what?
No, you shave the bark.
Shave the bark? What's the name of the tree? Moidi.
Moiri.
I forgot to bring my knife, to scrape some.
You have prostate?
You have to take care right before it comes.
That's true, and take care of it.
Prevention better than cure.
Right now, we
Yeah, but as we said,
all of us should be scraping that bark.
but no, but the doctors would, no, just scrape her back. That's what the doctor said. That's what the doctor said.
Scrape your back.
Well,
Doctor
no,
don't know
no.
what caused prostate.
I'm not talking about traditional doctor. I mean, the so-called medical. I'm talking about naturopathic doctors. They'll tell you the more you ejaculate, the more you free up the pipe. It's a pipe.
It's a pipe, yeah,
The more
yeah.
you free up the line. But if you don't ejaculate enough, I mean, I'll jerk off.
I'll cake up.
So let me
So
ask
she
you
can
this.
butter.
The fact that you don't jerk off, or whatever, is it, if it builds up, you know,
Because, you know,
there's this urban
all right.
legend or urban
All
myth
right.
that if you
It's not a
don't,
myth. Think about it.
you get that.
Think about it. If you that is why what you call it?
Roland,
Give me
yeah.
the other end. Antiperspirant.
yeah.
Well, it's dangerous and it can give you cancer because it prevents your pores from
Opening.
from flowing, like, because you're supposed to sweat.
Yes, yeah.
So if it's not coming out,
you sweat to
then
release the
it
toxin.
becomes toxic in your
Yeah,
system.
it's not releasing.
So if the sperm doesn't come out, then it becomes toxic and it goes back at you. 'Cause
Yeah.
it needs to get into something.
You need to get. Yeah. So we're going this way. We're going this way, guys. This way. This way. This way. Yo, yo, yo.
You guys can't go that way.
I'll go this.
We go this way.
Wrong road. Wrong route.
Oh, yeah, I need
Yeah, family. So we're heading back home. Let's go. Yeah, this is just the Jam Tours experience. And, you know, come, check it out. And, you know, I mean, come experience nature, come experience God.
So you can eat it if you want.
very tasty.
Okay. See on top of
Tastes
it.
like what?
See on top of it.
Oh, that's a colobus monkey.
Colobus.
One name is a calabash.
Where is it? This one there. You see some white dangling over there like a fruit tree? Huh? Just follow my clue like that. Do you see it?
Yeah, you see my hand? Yeah, black and white.
Yeah.
Color
The one that they make our hats, you know, our, yeah.
Oh, and take them to the
On top of it.
and then
Okay.
Even this forest is protected.
Oh, this is
What do
this
you call this forest?
Madiore.
Maduri. Okay.
The owner is known as Gordon. Yeah, it's a European.
Oh, European.
Yeah,
Here.
yeah,
I could tell you.
So you own it entire this place?
yeah. Even this, the tea plantation, all of it.
What kind of blood clot madness is this in Africa?
We can't own nothing inside.
What we should
Blood
do is
clot.
have a reserve
Yo,
for
yesterday me the bank all day.
Take them and-
Eh?
Get the bank and all them thing, get the car, post get the car pin and all them see them
keep it
car.
going. I said, oh,
Eh?
that's a root right there, and if you look over, you see a that's all, yeah. Yes, all right.
Yes, alright.
They don't occur very often, but when they do, they can be deadly for African people.
Yeah, you see, like Fort Ruto have started taking beacons. They have started taking our lands, saying it's a government land where the liver is.
So they're
But they're not messing with
they're going to
the
put
European
a
guys.
road here.
No, Uhuru already got the shares here.
Ah.
Already.
Shares which
Yeah.
way?
With the European guy.
Yeah.
Shares for what?
From there, then tea, Uhuru already got the shares there.
Which
He
tea?
has already bought the tea.
Is that empty?
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah.
Ah.
This one, it's a huge plantation. You remember when last time we
Okay,
were?
now
Yeah,
Eden
yeah,
tea, is it formerly Limuru tea?
Yeah.
Karirana?
Yeah, Karidana. That's
Okay.
Karidana. But it was the one I was showing you over there. Yeah.
These days.
Your boss?
Kiambu.
Yeah, boss. Your boss? Yeah, man. Come up, family. Come up. We're going up the hill. Going up the Wally Mountain. Yeah, Bridget, what's up? Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah.
Ricardo, yeah, boss.
Yeah, go ahead.
Ricardo.
Oh, yeah, we are light and all are we there. They are down a light village. No, I think it's on the 29th. Yeah. Yeah, family, so we're heading back. I saw 9 of us there. Peer up, a chat. Yeah, yeah, a jam tours. Samba solutions, yeah. Solutions. Yeah, so we're there. And we are come back. Yeah. Yeah.
With the most cases.
2 by 2. We have those 2 brothers there coming. 2 by 2. I have light and reggae flavors down there, so 2 by 2 coming back, family. 2 by 2 coming back. You know what I mean? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 of us. So let's go, family. Like, share, and comment. We're gonna go back. We're gonna have some food now, and we're gonna share that with you while we end the day.